Okay guys, electric fan na mahinang umikot. Ayan o. Ito guys, mahinang umikot to. Ayan. Stock up. Nilalangisan lang natin. Ayan o. Lalangisan lang natin yan o. Mahinang umikot. Ayan. Try natin. Madaming electric fan. Wow, yan, umikot na oh. Oh, di ba? Oh. Tanyo? Ganyan lang kasimple yan. Tapos, kakabit natin yung kanyang ano. Dami. Pag hindi pa yumaman, iwan ko na lang. Barok, paano ba tayo yaman nito? Ang daming electric pa, no?
Kaya magkakto, very hard working.
Ano na? Very hard working. Yeah. You're telling the truth. Okay. Don't laughing. Don't make laughing. Otherwise, you will be thrown to middle, ang tawag dito? I will be thrown you. Okay? You must be supported. Okay? If you don't support me, otherwise, no more. I don't know what happened to us. Where's the other locks? No more lock. Oh, so big. Okay. Let's find out where is the other lock. Hey, lock, where are you? Oh, so big. Where's the other one?
Okay, nino natin yung aso dun sa labas. Ha? Natayin? Ang kinin.
We don't have any more lock here. So we need to find somebody find you. Where's the other one? Other lock. Oh, no more lock here. Okay. No more lock. Yeah. Oh, I'm old now. It's so hard for me to sit down. Yun. Okay, there is. Okay guys, I found something. Ito. I found success. Okay, I found successful lock. Okay. Guys. Guys, how's my English? Is my English is good or bad?
Bad. You need to practice more.
Oh no. The problem is now there is more problem to come.
Ano ba yung aso?
Pakainin mo yung aso doon?
Ito. Nilagyan ko yung kanin.
Okay, you must love the animal just like you love me tomorrow and an afternoon.
Go! Kung patama na, ma-stop pa lang.
Ito pala yun eh. Ano ba yan?
Ano mo?
Ano ba yan? It's an kalamat ng English lang. Ba't nagtatagalog?
Oh, ano ba English na ano ba yan? Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay. Not this one. Ay. Why? That is my wife. She love also animal, just like her.
No, she loves animals. He ka naman.
She nga sinabi ko she.
Talaga sabi mo.
Hindi. I'm telling the truth. Okay? Don't bother me. Anything you want to say is okay, that's it. Oh no, where's the other lock? Here. I can't find any lock. So I need
Patama na.
to sit down.
English. Baka mahihilo ka pa dyan.
Namimili siya ng pagkain.
Hey, don't talk Tagalog.
Don't talk Tagalog.
Okay. I'm telling you. Tagalog is hard to understand now.
Yung ano? Lagi ko tabi, parang tabi nito pa.
Even though I don't know. Okay?
Piki.
Oh, wait, but why there is sumasayad inside?
Go. Sorry ko tayo dinitoid.
Why there is sumasayad inside? Okay?
Sayang Tagalog yun.
It's okay. There's something happened to me. Okay, guys. Oh no. I don't think what happened. Maybe the capacitor is too no power now. Ayo. Need to push more. Okay. The problem is now we don't have any lock here. So we need to find someone lock. Okay. Hey, American people, you need to understand my English. Otherwise, you're not telling the truth. This is what I told you. Okay,
Hey, so many
falling down. Okay, this is one I told you. The electric fan is not already working. Okay, guys, did you see that? Okay,
so many fixes.
so many fixes. Okay, okay, okay. You know this. You know the history of this electric fan. They throw it in the garbage. So one time I go outside, I see this electric fan. So what can I do? I'll take. Okay? That is what my neighbor is so much money. Okay. Oh, the problem now is not too much. The speed is not good. So we need to remove this capacitor and change it. Okay? Okay, this is the capacitor. Okay. Oh, there's something basag-basag here. Oh no, the basag-basag is there. Okay, nabasag pa pala. Okay. Guys, I found something broken, this one, the gearbox. So we need to fix it, okay? You must ito this one, okay? I found something. Okay. Need to remove.